Here's how you can make a drop-down menu in Figma. It's quite easy and simple, but make sure you watch the full video to catch all the important steps. Open Figma and click on the design file on the upper right side to open a blank page. Now, let's start designing the drop-down menu. First, click on the text option on the upper left side and type text size. Then, click on the pen tool or install plugin icon fee. Select both the text and arrow, then press Shift+A to group them into a frame. Select the frame, click on the stroke option on the bottom right side, and adjust it as needed. Copy and paste the frame to create duplicates. Name the frames as small, medium, and large, arranging them below each other. Select the 3 frames, right-click, and choose Add Auto Layout to create a new frame. Remove the stroke lines from the 3 frames, then add a stroke to the main frame and make the corners curved. Select all the frames and click Create Component at the top. Name this component Selector. Select the component, open the Properties option on the left side, and click on Variant to create 4 variants. Hide the main frame by clicking on the I button. Rotate the arrows in the frames back to their original positions. Select the small frame, click on the Fill option, change its color, and reduce the opacity. Repeat for medium and large frames. Click on the Prototype option on the upper right side. Link the first frame to the second frame using Smart Animate. Link small to medium and medium to large using while hovering. Connect the select of the second frame back to the first frame. Create a red triangular shape, name it Test, and change its color to white. Click on the Assets option at the top and drag the local component to the test frame. Preview the drop-down menu. Your drop-down menu is now created. I hope you enjoyed these tips on how to build a design system in Figma. This video is part of a playlist with more Figma tips. Check out the full web page design tutorial in the description below.